Hi,
Hi.
my name's John. I'm a respiratory therapist student at Southeast Community College. I'm here to get some breath sounds and lung sounds, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, so I'm going to be listening to different areas of your lungs, both in the front and in the back.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to be needing you to breathe deep, take deep breaths for me. I'll coach you through it as we do it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to start up front. Go ahead and put your arms to your side for me. There you go. Okay, go ahead and take a deep breath. Again. Okay. Again. 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 Okay. Come back here. Yeah. Okay, good. Again. 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 Okay, very good. Everything sounds normal. Is there anything else that I can do for you before I go?
No.
All right. Well, I hope you feel better. You take care of yourself.